shortcut tricks. And these tricks will really help you to crack JEE Mains problems. And guys, you know what? Around 15% of the problems that you get in your JEE Mains actually can be solved by some tricks, which actually are tricks at times, and sometimes these are deep knowledge of concepts, which can help you solve the problems very, very fast. Okay, so on that note, let us begin. And by the way, many of you must be attending my classes on YouTube. Yes? So how many of you are attending my classes already? I want to see yes, yes, yes in the chat. Okay, let me check. Good, awesome. So, and others who, for whom I am new. So, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. So, yeah guys. So, let me cover my picture. So, yeah. So, I am Pulkit. I did my BTech from IIT Roorkee in 2005. After that, I started Laksh Institute. And you know what? At Laksh Institute, you must have heard its name. We could produce lots of amazing results. Lots of students actually went ahead and achieved their dreams. In fact, last year's All India rank 1 in IIT, this year's AIMS rank 1, all these students have come from Laksh. But then we thought, how can these amazing teachers can reach to all the students in the country? And that is why I started Vedantu. Through Vedantu, we use technology to reach out to students like you from all across the country. And with this vision, I'm also taking this session on YouTube so that all of you can learn from me. And some of you are also attending this class from Vedantu website. Yeah, so both of you can attend from Vedantu website as well as YouTube. Okay, so let's move ahead now. So before I start, I think we should talk about the strategy. Strategy of how should you attend the paper. Since we are talking about shortcut tricks, so when should you apply a shortcut trick in any problem? So now guys, listen to me very, very carefully. I am going to talk about the strategy of attempting JEE paper. Okay. So you have 3 hours and you have 3 subjects. What I suggest is this. Your chemistry should be so strong that you attempt your entire chemistry paper in first 40 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes. Keep that in mind. And with this thought, also plan your preparation of the last 1.5 to 2 months that are left with you. Alright. Chemistry should be very, very strong. You should be able to attempt chemistry paper in first 40 minutes. Alright. After that, what should you do? Imagine you pick up mathematics after your chemistry. Then, you should not try to attempt each and every question of math. Okay. Skip through the paper. Attempt the questions which you can tackle immediately, which after reading, you get confidence. Ye to mujhe pata hai. I know how to approach it. Do it then and there. In these problems, do not try to apply shortcut tricks. Okay, because the problem for whom you know the method, your accuracy should be very, very high. So apply the method that you know, crack it with 100% accuracy. So what will happen? Out of 30 problems in math, for example, you will be able to attempt approximately 15 to 20 problems or whatever as per your level. Okay, you will have attempted the questions which are from your strong areas. Now move ahead. Now what has happened? You have attempted entire chemistry, you have attempted mathematics problems which you definitely were sure about cracking. Now do the same thing in physics. So 40 minutes, 1 hour for math, for example, 1 hour for physics. Now you will be left with around 20 minutes. Now this time. These are 20 minutes, right? So this 20 minutes is the time. Then what you should do? Now you should think about what problems can I attempt now? Are there some problems जिसके अंदर I can apply some shortcut trick and get it? Are there some problems where I can reject some options and maybe make a very, very judicious guesswork? Now, these 20 minutes should really give you very high output on the time that you are investing here. And with this thought, now let's go ahead and learn some shortcut tricks. Alright? Also, my shortcut tricks will also help you in attempting some questions fast in the first 1 hour that we talked about. Okay, so let us begin. So today, I'll not be talking about all the topics. I'll be taking problems from topics like integration, some problems of sequence and progression, some problems of coordinate geometry, And in general, you can apply methods in many other chapters as well. If you have attended my sessions on YouTube, you might have seen lots of these shortcut tricks for other topics as well. Are you ready? So, let us begin and move ahead to some problem solving. Let us take a very simple problem to begin with. So, this is your IIT 1994 problem. Okay, read it. Integration. Thing is, you should be able to solve it within 10 seconds, not more than that. Okay, let's go. Look at the format very carefully. Ideally, this problem is the problem of King's property. So what is King's property, if you remember? So King's property used to tell us that if my integration is integral a to b fx dx, okay, then this integral can also be written as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. All of you remember this? And its application gives me what? Look at the format very carefully. What if I call this portion of the function as a function of x, f of x? Listen to me very carefully, okay? And let me say, if this is fx, then this is also f of x. Read this very carefully. Under root of 5 minus x. If this is f of x, then what is this? Can I write this as f of a plus b minus x? Why? Because what is a plus b? 3 plus 2, 5. So if this is f of x, then this is a plus b, that is 5 minus x. Agar ye format hai, if this is the format, guys, then remember, do not do the calculation. Your answer directly should become what? Your answer should directly become half times b minus a. That's it. End of the story. Nothing else. So what is your answer? कितना हो जाएगा? Half times. What is b? 3 minus 2. कितना आ गया? Half. That's it. Solved. Okay. Let me generalize it for you. So remember, guys, whenever you see this format, what is this format? This is the format. Look at the answers go. Look at this very carefully. It says, whenever you see integral a to b, you see a function in the numerator, let's call it f of x, you see the same function in the denominator, and the other function is x replaced by a plus b minus x. No calculation needed, directly the answer is b minus a by 2. And guys, trust me, this thing has come in IIT almost every year. Let's come up. Let's try to solve some more problems based on the same approach. Let's take another problem. Look at this. This is your JEE Mains 2015 problem. Okay, read it carefully. I want you to solve the same problem, this problem, using the approach which I told you in next 15 seconds. There you go. I hope this is visible to everyone. Yeah, so what do you see here, guys? I answer. Exactly. I can see your answers now. Yeah, okay, cool. Then let's go. So, what is it? This is what? This is your f of x. All of you can see. This is also your f of x. All of you can see. Okay. Then what is this? Look at this very carefully. Can you read this as log of, what is 36 minus 12x plus x square? It is 6 minus x whole square. Yes or no? You can write it like this. So if f of x is log of x square, this is what? This is nothing but f of, what is 6? 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So ये कितना हो गया आपका? F of a plus b minus x. That's it. Standard format, f of x upon f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Do not do the calculation. Immediately your answer should be what? Your answer should be half times b minus a. What is b minus a? 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 2. Answer is 1. That's it. Got it? Guys, are you guys understanding what I'm doing? And trust me, although this is not a shortcut, this is a format where applying the King's property, you can directly say the answer is half times b minus a. But since it is so common in JEE problems. So I want you to keep a very keen eye on this. ध्यान रखना, जब भी ये देखेगा टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. Let's see. So this is exactly the same solution which I was talking about, and I always call such problems as laddu problems. So guys, today we will see JEE problems which you will realize are actually laddu. खाना ही नहीं खाना लड्डू. लड्डू दिखेगा तो खा जाना भाई, ठीक है. लड्डू के ऊपर गार्निशिंग की जरूरत नहीं है. लड्डू मतलब सीधे खाओ, गबक. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Look at this problem. So this is again your JEE previous year problem. Let's see. Answer quick. कितना होगा आंसर? देखो ध्यान से. मैंने पहले बना दिया लड्डू. This is actually a laddu problem. So what's your answer? Exactly. Cool. Awesome. क्या हो गया आपका? This is your cot of x, f of x. ठीक है. This is also your f of x, under root of cot x. Then what is this? Root 10. I can write this root 10 as कितना हो जाएगा? This is actually under root of बार आता नहीं. Under root of cot of a plus b pi by 2 minus x. Yes or no? That is your root 10x. Can I also write this as, if that is f of x, it is f of a plus b minus x. Your standard format. So क्या आंसर हो गया इसका? I need not calculate. Directly I'll write half times a plus कितना हो जाएगा? b minus a, that is pi by 2 minus 0. कितना आंसर आएगा? pi by 4. Any doubt? Clear as a way? Okay. So see, again repeating a lot. और देख लो. Look at this problem. Almost every year there is a problem based on this property. Okay. So free के लड्डू के आपको 2-3 नंबर तो पक्के से मिल ही रहे. So definitely going to get these 3 numbers. All right. Look at this. There is a slight manipulation that you will need, but you will be able to solve it. Again, 20 seconds, not more than that. Do it. Cool. Yes. Good job. Exactly. This is the answer. Most of you are giving me the right answer. Let's quickly discuss it. First of all, if I look at this problem, okay, there is one thing that is there in my mind. That is, let's look at this. यार ये देख के ना x मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. I'm not liking this x. So can I remove this x to begin with? So what I start with is, let me start with the substitution x square is equal to t. If I put x square is equal to t, what will happen? This implies my x dx will become what? Half dt. X dx will become half dt. Alright? So आपका ये integration किसमें convert हो जाएगा? Using this, my integration will convert into integral of क्या होगा? x into dx has become half dt, so there is a half outside. Sin कितना हो जाएगा? This is sin of t upon, this is also sin of t plus, let me write this as sin of log of 6 minus t, and there is a dt. Now let's talk about the limits. Guys, the limits will change. Yes or no? The limits will change. How will the limits change? Let's quickly see. So here, remember, whenever you are integrating with respect to x, remember your limits are the values of x. Actually your x is varying from x1 to x2. x1 is root log 2 and x2 is root of log 3. But when you are integrating with respect to t, the limits will be of t. This is basics, I'm just repeating for everybody's clarity. Okay. So when your x was root log 2, since t is equal to x square, okay, so what will be the value of t now? When x is root log 2, since t is x square, this will be what? This will be log of 2, and similarly this will be log of 3. Right? So this is your integration. Now this is standard format. Why is this standard format? It goes to quickly. This is your standard format. Why? Because this is your like f of t. This is f of t, and what is this written? A plus b. What is a plus b? Log 2 plus log 3. Log 6, log a plus log b कितना होता है? Log of a into b. So log of log 2 plus log 3 is log 6. So actually क्या लिखा है? This is actually written as f of a plus b. कितना हो गया? a plus b minus t. That's it. Because this is your f of t. Direct format. So what's the answer? The answer will be कितना हो जाएगा आंसर? As all of you have rightly pointed out, the answer will be, let me quickly write it for you. Half times log 3 minus log 2, but remember there is a half outside here as well. There is this half, don't forget that half. So if you put that half, this पूरे के बाहर there was a half also. कितना हो गया? 1 by 4 log a minus log b. Log 3 minus log 2 कितना होता है? Log of 3 by 2. That's it. आंसर कितना हो गया? 1 by 4 log of 3 by 2. Is that clear? Pretty simple again. So how many problems we have seen? At least 3 problems till now. All JEE problems of recent years using this format. आगे बढ़े. So this is again the solution, and again as I said, let do. ठीक है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now this is your JEE Mains 2013 problem. बताओ, read it. Read it all of you. This is like your statement या assertion based वाला problem. There are 2 statements. Okay. So this is your statement 1 and this is your statement 2. Okay. This is your King's property, which definitely is true. You know the King's property is true. So no doubt about it. Your statement 2 is definitely correct. All you need to think about is statement 1. अब statement 1 के बारे में सोचो जरा. Think about it. What does it say? A to B dx upon 1 plus root 10x. Alright, in IIT, in JEE paper, whenever you see a problem of integration between A to B, some function dx, chances are very high. I would say 90% chances are that the problem is based on the King's property, that is this property. Okay, but out of those problems, the chances is again very high that the problem can directly be solved using the shortcut trick that we talked about. Look at this problem very, very carefully. इसको अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, can you also write this as integration of pi by 6 say pi by 3? Can we write root 10 as, all of you know, root of 10x can be written as root of sin x upon root of cos x, right? Taking the LCM कितना हो जाएगा? The root cos x will come up under root of cos x. Okay, plus under root of sin x. Yeah, let me not repeat it. It is direct property. This is fx. This is fx. This is f of a plus b. What is a plus b? Pi by 6 plus pi by 3. Pi by 2. This is under root of cos of pi by 2 minus x. That is root of sin x. तो हो गया ना? Directly answer लिख दो यार. What is the answer? Answer is half times b minus a, that is pi by 3 minus pi by 6. कितना हो गया? What is the answer? Answer is pi by 12. Okay, but what does it say? It says pi by 6. ये तो गलत है. This is wrong. So इसका मतलब definitely this statement is wrong and this statement is right. Okay, so what is the answer? Read it carefully. S1 is incorrect and S2 is correct. This is the answer. Okay, clear? So again, lots of properties, lots of questions on this. Now let's move on to another interesting shortcut. Okay, so we have taken first few minutes to learn this shortcut or concept which is very, very popular in IIT. Now let's move ahead and learn something new. Okay, now guys, let's talk about a very interesting shortcut which will help you solve the problems by parts, right? All of you I know are not very comfortable with by parts because it takes time. At times you need to do by parts 2 times in a particular problem to solve it. But simple integrations like these can be solved using a method which I'm going to teach you as DI method. Okay, which will help you save those precious 20 seconds or 30 seconds okay, which will really help you gain an edge over others. So what is this DI? Differentiation integration method. Chalo, aage badhte hain. Hai kya ye method? Let's learn pretty fast. Okay, so guys, what does it say is this. Imagine you have this integral. So you have this integral. What is written here? Integration x into e raised to power x dx. Okay, this is definitely we solve by parts. But how do we solve it by parts? There is a function which you will want to differentiate. There is a function which you will want to integrate. First function, second function. Remember ILATE rule? Remember ILATE? Inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Whatever comes first, you typically like to put it as your first function. Do the same thing here. Okay, so what you are doing, basically you are saying, this is my first function, okay, which I want to differentiate. First function ka differentiation hota hai, remember, in by parts. This is my second function, this is what I want to integrate. First function, second function. Shortcut method says this, make a table. I will help you do the same problem without this table also. But for the time being, make this table. The function which you want to differentiate, put it here. Put it here. Okay. Function that you want to differentiate. Okay. Then keep differentiating it. X ka differentiation 1 ka differentiation 0. Stop. Then the function which you want to integrate, e raised power x, put it here. Its integration is e raised power x. Its integration is e raised power x. Okay. So what I did, I put the function which I want to differentiate in this table under the column D. Then I kept on differentiating till I got 0. Other function I put under the column I, which I want to integrate, and I kept integrating till I got nothing. Just keep integrating. Kahan tak? Jahan pe D wale column mein you have 0. Now what's your answer? Answer is very simple. All you need to do, guys, is this. Okay, cross multiply. So first term of the integration is x into e raised to power x. Second term is 1 into e raised to power x. 0 wale ko chhod do, then it won't be anything. Okay. Now, before the first term, put the plus sign. Alternately, put the minus sign. That's your answer. This is your answer directly. Okay, this is the method, what we call as methods, the method of integration by DI method. Kuch nahi hai, by parts here. I'm just trying to write it in a different way. Okay, now let's try to learn this again through another example. X square e raised power x. Correct for all of us. Step 1. This is what you want to differentiate. I will put it under the D1. This is what you want to integrate. Let's put it into the I column. Okay, like your ILATE, first function, second function. Alright, क्या करेंगे? X square under the column D, e raised power x under the column I. Keep differentiating it. E raised power x square का differentiation 2x का differentiation 2. Okay, do you need to go ahead? No, because anyways you are going to get 0 upon differentiating it. E raised power x integration. Keep integrating it. E raised power x. E raised power x. E raised power x. Right? What's your answer? Answer is very simple. Simply visualize this cross multiplication. Okay. बस लिख दो क्या हो जाएगा? First term x square e raised power x. Second term 2x e raised power x. Third term 2 times e raised power x. Okay. Signs. Before first term will always be a plus sign. Alternates minus plus. There will be a constant of integration. That's your integration directly. Simple, yes? Yes or no? Pretty simple, pretty fast. अगर इसको by part से करने जाओगे, okay, तो time लग जाएगा थोड़ा सा. I'll take more examples to illustrate that. But you could have also done it very very fast. कैसे? आप ऐसे भी visualize कर सकते थे. Right? X square here. The first term, write x square here as it is. Okay. Then write the integral of the second term here. Write the integral of the second term here. Okay. After that, do one thing. Keep differentiating it. 2x. इसको हटा देता हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए. Let me remove it for some time. Okay, 2x का differentiation 2. Stop. Then let's talk about e raised power x. Integration e raised power x. Integration e raised power x. Plus minus plus answer. Oh yeah, very fast. Right? So this is the method. Do revise it once again. Let's move ahead. So this is what I just did. And look at this. Let's do x sin x. I want you to do it now. Right? What is the function that you want to differentiate? You want to differentiate x. You want to integrate sine. Do it now. Correct? कैसे करेंगे? You will start with x, your first function. The first function is what you write as it is x. Directly just keep it as it is. Other function. Okay, sin x, the one which you want to integrate, which comes under the column I. Usko integrate karo and put it here. Okay, just integrate it and put it here. So what is this integration? Its integration is minus cos. So this is minus cos x. Okay, then next one. Ab iska differentiation, its differentiation is 1 and its integration. Its integration is what? Minus sine plus c. Okay, बस अब क्या होगा? Sine plus minus, you have the answer. Very simple, is it not? Okay, so what's your answer? Answer becomes minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. That's it. In a single line. Got it? So again, as I said, it will really help you save a lot of time in the problems by part. But don't try to apply this method in all the problems by parts. In the simple ones, where you have algebraic function, trigonometric function, algebraic function, exponential function, and so on. Alright? So, let's move ahead now. Now let's see, can this method really help in some JEE problems? Okay, so let us take a JEE Main 2012 problem. And let's see, how can this method really help us solve this problem a bit faster? Okay, read this problem, these are the options, see if you can attempt it on your own. I'll talk about this as we go ahead. Minus pi by 2 say pi by 2. X square plus log of pi minus x upon pi plus x whole multiplied by cos x. Okay. It is integration from minus a to a. That is minus pi by 2 say pi by 2. One more thing guys, before you start. Any problem in JEE, so let me again repeat. Before this, I was talking about the problems from a to b, integral a to b. Now I am talking about the integration from minus a to a. If the integration is from a to b, almost all the problems will get solved by the method which I shared with before, in general the King's property. Whenever it is minus a to a, remember, it will always use the concept of even and odd functions. Okay, so let me briefly talk about what is even and odd function. So remember guys, whenever you have a function in which f of minus x is minus fx, that function is odd. That function is odd, right? And whenever in any function, whenever you have f of minus x is equal to f of x, the function is even. What are the examples? You guys know the examples? For example, fx is equal to sin x. This is odd. Okay, because sine of minus x. Why? Because you know sine of minus x is equal to minus of sin x. You know this? Right? But let's talk about even function. For example, f of x is equal to cos x. It is even function. Why? Because cos of minus x is actually equal to cos x. Very, very basic elementary properties of trigonometry. Right? So remember this. This is point 1. The second point that you need to keep in mind is this. Whenever you do an integral from minus a to a fx dx, I will not go into the proof right now. Okay? It is simply very graphical. F minus a to fx dx, remember its integration is always 0 if f of x is odd. You know this? है ना? And it will be 2 times integral 0 to a fx if fx is given. Okay, so sin x है और इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हो from -π/2 से π/2, what will be the answer? 0. Okay, if it is cos x, if you are integrating from -π/2 से π/2, answer will be 2 times integral of 0 से π/2 cos x. Okay, now let's go back to the previous problem. The problem is this, it is from -a to a. ध्यान से देखो, अरे यार यहाँ पे तो x square है, okay, there is a log of pi minus x upon pi plus x. Can you think, do you know that log of pi minus x upon pi plus x, is it even or odd? Let us try to find out. How do you find out? Take this f of x is equal to log pi minus x upon pi plus x as f of x, then try to replace the x by minus x in the function. Brief discussion about even odd functions. Okay, क्या हो जाता है? This becomes log of, and replacing x by minus x, it becomes log of pi plus x upon pi minus x. Agree? x को replace कर दिया किससे? Minus x से. ये आ गया. Now, do you realize this can also be written as, if I take the numerator and the denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator, interchange, minus sign आ जाएगा बाहर, so it will become log of pi minus x upon pi plus x. But ये क्या है? Look at this. This is nothing but a minus of fx. Yes? तो क्या हो गया? It means this entire function is odd. ये तो odd है. यहाँ तक तो clear हो गया? अब now let's move ahead. Now let's move ahead and see what is happening. Okay, so this question, integral minus pi/2 से pi/2, I am breaking it into 2 parts. One part is x square cos x dx, plus I am breaking into the second part, minus pi/2 से pi/2 log of pi minus x upon pi plus x into cos x dx. Agree? ये हो जाएगा. Now listen to me very carefully here. This is odd, this is even. Always remember, even into odd is odd function, and odd into even function is always odd. So this entire function is odd. If this entire function is odd, its integration will be 0. ये तो गया. This integration went away. All you are left with is this. All you are left away with is this. Okay, can you see? This is what? Integration by parts. Can you do it in a single line? DI method. That's it. That is where DI method will be important. Can you do it with DI method? If you don't do it with DI method, okay, you will have to integrate it by parts 2 times. It will eat up a lot of time. Do it by parts, single line. करें इसको एक लाइन में. कैसे करेंगे? In a single line. Let me write it for you. X square, write it as it is. Okay. First, x square, I'll write it as it is. Then the second one is what? The second one is cos x. The one which I want to take as the second function. I will write its integration. I will write its integration. कितना होगा? Cos का integration. Sin x square sin x. Now keep differentiating and integrating. Sin का मैं क्या करूँगा? I will keep integrating it. Sin का integration minus cos, right? And minus cos का integration is minus sin. Okay, and as far as the differentiation is concerned, x square का differentiation करेंगे कितना आएगा? 2x का differentiation करेंगे 2. No need to go ahead. That's it. As far as signs are concerned, plus minus plus. That's it. Just put it under the limits. Put it under the limits. Minus pi/2 से pi/2, or using the property of even. This entire thing is even. This entire thing is even. I can also do it as 2 times 0 से pi/2. So 2 times, put the limits 0 से लेके pi/2. That's it. You have the answer. So ideally this problem should not take more than half a minute. कैसे? As soon as you see it, immediately you should think, since it is minus a to a, I should use the concept of even and odd. First of all, you should immediately realize this is odd. odd into even is odd, ये तो गया, बच गया x square into cos x. X square into cos x is even. Okay, you can integrate it. To make it a bit simpler, you can actually, instead of integrating it between minus pi by 2 say pi by 2, you can actually integrate it between 0 से लेके pi by 2 times because it is even. X square cos x, do it by parts using DI property, DI method. Okay, cool. So you get the answer. What's the answer coming out to be? Let's see. So this is exactly the same integration that I have done. कितना था? X square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 sin x. X square sin x plus 2 cos x minus 2 sin x. Using your DI method. Okay. And if you do the calculations, you get the answer pi square by 2 minus 4. Okay. But why should I even do that? Is there one more shortcut here? है. बताओ. There is one more shortcut here. इसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है. Let me tell you how I would have done it. First of all, I reached till here. X square cos x. Okay. What if I say this is verbal? Using a shortcut method. So basically I am doing integral x square cos x. Okay. Between 0 से लेके pi by 2 and there is a 2 times also. ठीक है ना मुझे? Remember? This is what I have to do. Minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. Even function 2 times 0 से pi by 2 एक ही बात है. Okay. So let's move ahead. What I'm saying is, अरे यार एक काम करते हैं. Let me try to visualize its graph between 0 से pi by 2. बताओ. देखो ऐसा ग्राफ बनाते हैं. Between 0 से pi by 2. What will be its value at 0? I am making whose graph? X square cos x graph between 0 से pi by 2. What is its value at 0? कितना है? बोलो. Yeah, 0. So 0 at 0. What is its value at pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 कितना होता है? 0. अरे ये फिर से 0. Okay. In between, how will be the graph? It is a continuous graph. X square cos x is a continuous graph. तो क्या होगा? और positive भी है. Between 0 से pi by 2, x square is positive and cos is also positive. तो graph बनेगा कैसे? What other option does it have but to go something like this? That's it. This is the approximate graph, not the accurate graph. What I'm trying to do here is deduce the options. कैसे? अब देखो. Clearly, देखो ध्यान से. This is 1. Okay. This is 1. क्या होगा? Since I'm going to find out the area, what is integration? Integration is also equal to the area under the graph. If the graph is above x-axis, all of you know this. So basically, I'm trying to approximate this area. But ये देखो. Between 0 से pi by 2, both are fractional. For most of the times, cos of fractional here, x square is fractional almost for most of the interval. So the graph will always be below 1. So what if I say that the area of the graph is definitely less than this area? होगा. So this integration is definitely less than what? Actually will be less than half of that. Okay. So my answer definitely is less than. My answer is definitely less than what? कितना इसका एरिया? टोटल रेक्टेंगल का एरिया कितना है? pi by 2 है कि नहीं? है pi by 2 and उसका हाफ सीधी का एरिया and there is a 2 times. So actually my answer says, basically what it says, that इसका जो एरिया आएगा, जो आंसर आएगा, it is definitely will be less than pi by 2. Will definitely be less than pi by 2. होगा पक्के से. Okay. Option check कर लो ना यार. Go back to the options. Let's go back to the options. What I just said, my answer should definitely be less than pi by 2. Look at this. Can it be 0? No. Pi square by 2 plus 4. ये तो 4 से भी बड़ा है. Where? It is more than 4. I said my answer will be definitely less than pi by 2. Definitely. Okay. Then pi square by 2. It is what? Almost 4.5. ये भी गया. ये कितना है? Pi square by 2 minus 4. है ना? This is what is left with you. Correct answer. Got it? समझ में आया? So you can always approximate the graph, approximate the area under the graph, and check the options. 99.9% times you will get the answer. In fact, when I was of your age, this was my pet method to do the problems of integration. Okay, हमारे टाइम पे JEE screening होता था. In JEE screening objectives, that is what I used to do. चलो, let's move it now. Let's take one more problem to illustrate the same method. Okay, let me take one more problem. इसको करते हैं. So this is also a JEE previous year problem, JEE 2004. Can you apply the same method to approximate the answer here? देखो the answer. What I'm trying to say is, make its graph between 0 to 1. Make its graph between 0 to 1. बनाओ तो क्या होगा? 1 plus x. What is its value at 0? x को 0 put करो. Under root of 1 upon 1. 1. ठीक है भाई. तो graph comes from 1. Okay. At 0, at x equal to 0, the graph का value is 1. What is the graph का value at 0? Oh, sorry, at 1. Put 1. X की value 1. 1 minus 1, 0. At x equal to 1, it is this. Graph is always positive. It is under root. I told. Remember? Under root of anything is always positive. So this entire thing is positive. At 0 it is 1. At x equal to 1 it is 0. तो graph कैसा होगा? कुछ तो होगा ऐसे. I don't care. Something like this. Okay. Can I approximate this diagram as a triangle? For approximation, it's not a triangle by the way. It is some curve. But can I not approximate? I know that this integration actually is the area under the graph, and the area under the graph approximately. What is this area under the graph approximately equal to? कितना होगा? बताओ. Approximate this area as a triangle. Half into 1 into 1. So my answer should approximately be equal to half. Check the option. Pi by 2 plus 1. Half? नहीं रे बाबा. This is 1 plus something. तो 1 से भी बड़ा है. Reject. Pi by 2 minus 1. Yes, कितना होगा pi by 2? Pi by 2 is what? 3 by 2, 1.5, 1.5 minus 1. 0.5 something. Half. Yes, this is the answer. Minus 1 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. 1 reject. That's it. हो गया कि नहीं हो गया? समझ में आया? Okay. So this is an approximation. In my mind, I call it the method of approximation of the integration by thinking about integration as area under the graph. Okay. Do revise this once again from this video. So this is what I did. If you went about doing it in a proper way, this is all that you would have done. Okay. I'm leaving this screen in front of you. From the replay, you can actually go and see the method, the proper other method as well. But I'm not discussing that right now. Okay, so this is the method which I talked about. Now, so this was a few problems from integration where you could have applied certain shortcuts. So we saw 3 types of shortcuts there. One is a particular case of King's rule, f of x upon f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Answer always becomes half times b minus a. Very important. Second method, DA method. Okay. For integration by parts. Third, we talked about how can we approximate any integration using area under the graph, and hence look at the options and get the answer. Now let's talk about coordinate geometry. So guys, the shortcut trick in coordinate geometry is actually not a shortcut trick. It is an approach. What is the approach? Many students always try to attempt coordinate geometry problems through equations and formulae. Trust me, majority problems of JEE of coordinate geometry can actually be solved if you visualize the diagram and apply simple geometry, and you will not be able to use, you will not be required to use any equation. Okay, and the problem will be solved just like that. Okay, can I give an example? Look at this problem. Again, this is a JEE previous year. I am taking all JEE problems to make you believe that these methods can be applied in the problem solving to make them solve fast. What is it? A straight line through point 3 comma minus 2 is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the line, some line is given, and one of the lines intersect the x-axis, then equation of L is, क्या बोल रहा है problem? I hope you must have visualized it by now. So this is what it says. This is my coordinate system. Okay. So there is a line, कौन सी line है भाई, line को देखो. Root 3x plus y equal to 1. Can I also write this as y equal to minus root 3x plus 1, y equal to mx plus c. So what is the slope? Minus root 3 is the slope, y-intercept is 1. तो line कैसे बनेगी? From 1, a line which is inclined, which has slope minus root 3. Minus root 3 मतलब slope कितना हो गया? मतलब angle कितना हो गया? 120 degree, और the angle from here is 60 degree, negative slope. ठीक है? So this is my line, y is equal to minus root 3x plus 1 is my line. अब क्या बोल रहा है? It says there is a point 3 comma minus 2. अच्छा, there is a point 3 comma minus 2. तो कहीं पे होगा point 3 comma minus 2. Okay, 3 comma minus 2. From where a line is drawn which is inclined at the given line at 60 degree. अच्छा, how many lines will be there? 1 or 2? एक तो line ऐसी कुछ होगी which is inclined with the given line at an angle of what? 60 degree. But is this the only line? No, there can be one more line. तो एक लाइन ऐसी भी तो हो सकती है. Because this is also inclined at what angle? 60 degree. Okay. Now the question is to find out their equations. The equation of these red lines. ध्यान से देखो, प्रॉब्लम में कोई इक्वेशन लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं. You don't need to put any equation. Why? I really like this question a lot because see what happens. This is 60. ये 120 है तो ये एंगल भी कितना है? This angle is 60. Okay. This is 60, then this angle is also 60. Yes or no? 60. Why? Vertically opposite angle. But immediately you get to realize, अरे यार, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel lines. Why? How many do you parallel? Why? Because you know this property or not? Two parallel lines make an intersect, then this angle and this angle are same. So green and red lines 60 degree, 60 degree. So both of these lines are parallel. तो ये तो हो गया, ये तो parallel आ गई. अगर ये parallel है, so 60 60 given third angle will be what? 60. अरे भाई triangle है, sum of the angles is what? 180 degree. 60 60 ये कितना हो गया? 60. So this angle is also 60. If this is 60, then this angle is what? 60 vertically. Sorry, ये opposite angles, right? Now 60, but green and red line are parallel. तो यार ये angle भी कितना हो जाएगा? 60. हो तो गई problem. What was the question about? Find out the line which intersects the x-axis. This red line is not intersecting x-axis because it is parallel to x-axis, parallel to green line. That red line will intersect the x-axis, but its slope is what? What is its slope? Slope कितना होगा इसका? Oops. So what will be the slope? The slope will be tan 60 root 3. It passes through the point 3 comma minus 2. Write down the equation. What will be the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. The point through which it passes and the slope is also known. That's it. You have the answer. समझ में आया? Correct? So the approach here is very important. What was the approach? The approach was that first make a diagram. Okay. Then see can some property of geometry be used. In majority of the problems from straight line and circles, it will be used. It can be used. Making your problem super duper simple. Okay? 60 lines parallel. So 60, this 60. So this 60. So this 60. So I know its slope. I know the point through which it passes. Hence the line. But it should not take more than 20 seconds. Okay? So let's move ahead. Now let's take one more problem. Let's take one more problem. After that we'll talk about something very very important. Okay, and we might take a problem of sequence and progression as well. देखो इसको, circle. Read it. A triangle PQR is inscribed in a circle. This is a very simple circle. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Circle which has its center at origin and radius 5. If Q and R have coordinates 3, 4 and minus 4, 3. Angle QPR क्या बोल रहा है भाई? ठीक है? Let's see if I can make a diagram here. Circle. Okay, we can make a circle here. Right? तो ये क्या बोल रहा है? So there is a circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. This is the center. Okay. Q and R coordinates 3, 4 and minus 4, 3. So there is a point here. Let's call it Q. It is 3, 4. R minus 4, 3. Okay. What is it asking? QR. Then there is a triangle PQR inscribed in the circle. अच्छी बात है. So there is a circle. एक triangle बनाना है using Q and R and there will be a P. So कहीं तो होगा P. ऐसा कुछ बना रहे? So this is your P. Question is to find out the angle QPR. This is the angle that you have to find out. What is the answer? Do you need any equation of circle? Absolutely not. देख तो रहा है आंसर कि नहीं देखा? ये देखो. You remember this property of circle? A circle, if a circle subtends an angle theta at the center, okay, or if it subtends an angle theta here, then the angle at the center will be what? Oops, let me rewrite it. So if this angle is theta, the angle subtended by an arc on the circumference, okay, is half the angle that it subtends at the center. Yes, remember the property. तो हो तो गया, देखो ध्यान से. All I need to visualize is this angle. Can you visualize this angle? Very simple. This is origin. Oops, let me use another figure. I have a proper figure here. See, so minus 4, 3, 3, 4. This is origin. So what is the slope of OQ? The slope of OQ, okay, just a minute. The slope of OQ कितना हो जाएगा? 4/3. What is its slope? Its slope will be what? देखो ध्यान से. Its slope will be 3 minus 0 upon minus 4 minus 0. That is कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 3/4. This into this minus 1. So this angle is what? This angle actually is 90 degree. So this angle is half of that. That is equal to 45 degree. That's your answer. So what's your answer? Pi/4. Again, simple, right? It's all about approach, guys. Okay, you guys always think about यार कुछ magic potion आ जाए जिससे कि अपने सारी problem shortcut से हो जाए. It doesn't happen like that. You need to have the right approach to solve any problem, and this is exactly how we teach at Vedantu. Okay, and with this thought, we have actually started crash courses targeting your JEE attempt in 2019 का January, right? And I know the time is short, so how to teach you to help you get the maximum benefit in the last 1 or 2 months that are left with you is the perspective with which we have created a very special crash course for you. And I hope you can appreciate the methods that we are seeing here. I'll briefly talk about that crash course before I take another problem. Okay, I'll take one more problem of sequence and progression. Okay, but before that, let me detail out the crash course for the ones who may be interested in this. Okay, so what will we do? In this crash course, we will cover all the topics of 11th and 12th in the time that is at hand. जो time भी हाथ में है, उसमें पूरे topics कराएंगे. But how will we go through those topics? These are live classes where expert teachers, what we call as Master Teachers of Vedantu, who have created so many ranks in IIT in last many years. We have clearly analyzed the JEE papers of the previous years. We know what type of questions come, what methods are the best to solve those problems. We will keep that at the center and take the classes for you and help you master them. Okay, so this is your live classes. Every day you will have live classes. Okay? We'll cover all the subjects PCM, both 11th as well as 12th. Not just that, after your JEE Mains in 2019 ka January, we will have a very dedicated round of board ka revision for you as well. Okay, because you know, board को लेके थोड़ी सी हालत खराब ही नहीं है. Pre-boards आने वाले हैं, but don't worry, we'll help you crack your board exam as well. But right now, time is to focus on JEE. After JEE, boards. Then you have very powerful test series. Our tests are the tests which have been given by JEE top rankers and all the rank spectrum over the years. Our tests are highly specialized tests which will help track and project your ranks and accordingly help you sort of plan your studies based on your marks. Okay, we'll help you with that. So very powerful test series. Then we have special sessions which we keep taking between the course for tips and tricks, like the session which I took today. But in general, all our classes are filled with tips and tricks also. Okay. Then the very interesting thing is 24/7 doubt solving. All the students who become part of the crash course, okay, we add them into very specialized doubt solving groups where we have lots of teachers available 24/7 to solve your doubts. You pose the doubt, you get the answer. Okay, so a very powerful doubt solving group as well between students and teachers will become a part of that. Okay, and of course all the sessions get recorded because I know. Imagine I am taking a class on vectors and 3D, but you couldn't attend it or you couldn't understand it properly. You have the recording. You can always go through that again and again to master it. So this is in a nutshell. What is this crash course about? Okay, and if you need more details about the crash course, guys, this is the link. The ones who are attending the class on Vedantu website, scroll down, you will see all the details and how to enroll for it. Okay, when you scroll down in the Vedantu website where you are attending this class, the ones who are attending the class on YouTube, guys, do what? इसको type करो browser में, type करो browser. What is it written? VDNT for Vedantu, vdnt.in/crack JEE. कब crack करना है? In 19 January 19, yes. So crack JEE 19 without any gap. Write it down in the browser. You will get all the details and an option to register for it. Okay. Now, so time is now, guys, because you have very less time left with you. If you want to make the best out of this time, we will help you with that. But with your help, what is your help that we need? Hard work. करोगे कि नहीं करोगे hard work? Yes? Give me your hard work, I'll give you rank. Okay, chalo. So that is about your crash course. And one more thing, guys. Books for JEE Mains. I can see so many comments about books. अगर पागल हो गए तो books को लेके. Okay. So let me tell you about the books. First of all, in mathematics, guys, the ones who are facing problems in solving the basic problem, R.D. Sharma subjective, please at least do the solved examples. After that, you can pick up any objective book. But in any objective book, you get lots of different types of problems which may not be important for JEE Mains. For that, what we have done, in fact, for the crash courses, I'll show you guys. So we have created specialized books which you will get in the crash course. So these are the books which you get where we have entire theory and everything given and the problems, very specialized dedicated problems. Keeping last 2 months in mind, बस ये problems कर लो तो set है यार, at least ये तो कर लो. Other than that, you have books like Cengage, Arihant, TMH, whatever, very exhaustive books. Do them judiciously. Also do previous year JEE problems of the last 10 years to at least analyze what type of problems come, so that you can leave the variety of the problems which are not important, because again the time is less. Also, please do not leave this. Though I'm teaching maths, but let me tell you, I did this mistake when I was a kid like you. My chemistry was very bad. Okay? My rank suffered. I got a 560 rank. I would have got much better had my chemistry been better. You should not do that, please. Okay? So, in the last 2 months, if you want to really maximize your marks, chemistry is the subject. math करो, but do it in a very judicious way. That is what we are there to help you with. ठीक है? Our classes designed in such a way that we give emphasis on the topics based on their weightage and their importance. Okay? But having said that, in general, chemistry को master करना है. Okay? So again, so these are the books that I was talking about. This is again the link. If you want to have a problem. This was again the link. I don't want to delete it. You can note it down. You'll get all the details there. The ones who are attending session on Vedantu website, scroll down. Ones on the YouTube, type this link. vdnt.in/crackje19. Okay. On that note, I'll say what? You have lots of laddu in the JEE Mains paper. Please don't forget to eat these laddus and save your time. And in the last few months of your preparation, please guys don't lose heart. I know many of you are totally troubled with life. Are you troubled with life or not? Pre-boards coming up. JEE कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा यार, दिमाग खराब हो गया. Okay, you're not able to solve problems. So many subjects. 12th खत्म नहीं हो रहा. 11th is also pending. Okay, because you feel you have forgotten the entire 11th. Yes or no? Life is troubled, but still have peace. Take a deep breath. Plan your studies nicely, and always remember, as I always say on my YouTube classes,